Welcome back to my channel. Many poultry farmers work every day but do not actually know if they are making profit or loss. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to calculate your feed cost and know if you are making profit or a loss in your farm with your egg. My name is Amelia. I run a poultry farm, the layer farm, in Africa while living in the United States. And I will share with you my real number from my real experience. Why this calculation is so matter is very important. If you do not know how much feed your bird eat, and also if you do not know how much feed costs per day, per month, then you cannot know your profit. So you have to know how much you are feeding your bird or your chicken every month, every day, so you know your profit. So the feed is the biggest cost in layer farming. The feed itself is the biggest cost. It takes a lot of money. So the feed is the biggest cost in layer farming. So let's calculate the feed. So the layer eat about 110 to 120 grams per day. So I'm going to use my number from my farm. Just make sure you put your number there as we are starting to calculate. So I have 203 chicken in my farm. So what I have to do to find the feed, I have to calculate 23. I multiply it with 110. And then I will get, when I multiply it, I will get 23,345 grams per day. So I will divide it with 1,000 grams to convert it to a kg. Then I will get 23 kg per day. This is the kg that I give my chicken every day, 23 kg per month, per day. So you have to put your number there. So my bird eats 23 kg feed per day. So monthly feed cost. So let's find out the monthly feed cost. So in Namibia, I buy feed in the 50 kg. And if my chicken eats 23 kg per day, I will multiply it with 30 days. Then I will get 690 kg per month. So to find out how many bag per month, I have to divide it with 50 kg, and then I'll get 14 bags. So in the month, I feed my chicken 14 bag of the feed, 14 bag. So if a bag in Namibia, the bag costs 480 Namibian dollar. So how much do I spend a month? So I have to multiply 480. I'll multiply it with 14 bag of the feed. Then I'll get 6,720 per month. That is the monthly cost that I use to buy the feed every month. So I hope you are following me and you are putting your number there. So let's calculate the egg, the income. So monthly income of my egg, put your number there. I have 203. So every day I collect 189 egg per day. Egg, not a tray, is egg. So you can divide that one by 30, and then you will get 6 tray and some 6 tray and a half or something like that. So how many egg do I get every month? I multiply 189, I multiply it with 30, and then I'll get 5,670 egg per day. So now to divide it, you have to divide it by 30 again. Then every month I get 189 tray per month. Those are the tray that I get every month. So how much money do I make every month? So 189 tray per day. I multiplied. In Namibia right now, because the egg production, the price of the egg have dropped. Right now I'm selling it at $78 Namibian dollar. So I multiply 78, multiply by my tray of egg, 189, to get 14,742 per month. So this is the money that I'm making every month. So I have now to take all my expenses. So in this money, as you calculate, you take now your expenses, you take out the feed, you take out the feed, you take out your gas, you take out your pay, everything, all your expenses. The money that is going to be left, that is your profit. That is the profit of your farm, of your business. So, that's why it's very important when you take the record. So now, simple profit calculation is you now take everything and get your profit. This is the profit before, take everything after you have taken out all your vitamins and everything. So business with egg product, you always make a profit, even if the egg production, as long as you manage it well. As long as you manage it well, you can just make profit out of it. Even if the egg drop, you can sell, make profit if feed is managed properly. If you manage your feed properly, you calculate your feed, you know how much, and it's not being wasted, you can still get profit as long as you know you are managing your feed well, and you are making, and you are taking the record. Record is very important in farming, because that's why I say farming, I always say that farming is always is the business of numbers. This business is the business of numbers. If you don't calculate, you don't get anything. If you don't take any record, you won't be able to know if you are making profit or not. So, if this video helped you, like this video, share with other people, with other farmers, subscribe, so we'll be able to share this information to other farmers. So we'll be able to make more videos if this video helps you. So comment below. Comment below. How many birds do you have? How do you do it? Show your information. Let's share the information. Farming is all about sharing information with other people. So comment there. So what do you think is my next video should be? What do you want me to talk about? So I'll be able to share with you guys what is my experience, how am I running my business while in America, all those things. Any questions, any comment, put it down below there. That's why it's important you subscribe, you like, you put the thumbs up, so you tell me the topic so we can share. So in this business, it's a profitable business if we just manage it well. The very important, I always say, take a record. Have a book, have a notebook where you put how much you spend in your feed, how much you spend in your medication, your trays of egg, every little things. Write it down. Don't, as soon as what I do with my record, as soon as I buy my workers, the person that is in charge, they buy things. As soon as they buy, I get all the receipt. I put everything together. At the end of the month, I'll be able to calculate my profit. Thank you everybody for watching my channel. Bye bye. See you again.